Guys, so we have a new character in part 6.
Hi, my name is Ivan.
So yeah, like he might be in part 6.
Yeah, might be.
Because like he is like a limited time in our place. So
Yeah. He is basically
he only comes in like the Onam vacation, Christmas vacation.
and the summer vacations.
Yeah.
Me, Dhyan, Ivan and Besu are friends and we play together.
Yeah.
So we are about to film together. Maybe.
Yeah. Just because we are gonna shoot part 5 and 6 together as fast as we can actually.
Yeah. Ivan, say
Because-
something.
Hi. I'm the new character of this YouTube channel.
Part 6.
But I have Instagram channel too. Yeah, he has like
He has
Instagram
Instagram
channel.
and stuff, but don't care about that.
yeah. Care about that, guys.
No, guys.
Care it.
No.
Care it.
No.
Care
No,
it.
no. Get out.
Care it.
Get out.
Why does Nathan always make arguments?
Yeah.